Well, seniors, we in Tiaban is a former commercial Asante Kotoko CEO, Yaw Amponsah, was arrested at the Kotoko International Airport. He didn't see more arrested, no, a developing story at Eba. Yaw Amponsah herself, commercial Asante Kotoko. Inti Bibi fan who be no a news. Now it is quite unfortunate. And you may and reports nearby say Yaw has been arrested now. At the corporate into more arrested, no, according to media house, I found a Kesben TV no a report to say Yaw Amponsah was arrested based on fraud. Sabrunika se fraud that net se katasumu muaso and they arrested a report and report to on our Facebook timeline na according to them no. There have been further development Mensaka made eba on the Super 24 TV no so as at filing this report or before filing this report Yaw Amponsah was in police custody at Kotoko International Airport for per Kesben TV report. Now said Yaw Amponsah arrested former Asante Kotoko CEO Yaw Amponsah arrested this afternoon at Kotoko Airport for fraud. The former Petrocorp president is currently in police custody at the police headquarters in Accra. Detail to follow later. Nature say reporter a buyer no. Me potama and I say me bonoto farmer or say Yaw Amponsah a way consider way and a police for to chain or Kotoko International Airport and now a chain no chain no and no call police custody now. Details to follow later. Now details may follow later. No, according to you, Munich say a fraud. Said the more can a fraud allegations. Fraud. You can say fraud that katasumu muaso. Now, and you may and I may cause a kakra and I matter say finally ya bail no, but a china no pa or be report to the police station. Not just say and only in Shaya I want the bail no hono or my granting the bail. But a China anopa, yaw, ever report to the police station and only update kakra abba on the arrest of Yaw Amponsah, the former CEO of Asante Kotoko. Ye who pise bibi abekwa sumdiem. We nye bibi who be ara hosem there, but where any day. Asemono. Your mom pass even who the latter, none of Caribbean woman are better this year, but exonerating and exonerating no, not a day assumed abba. But for now, a early report according to Kesben TV and a day fill away a beshimu and then you Mariana and so your report to be ama a TF4. Details and more be a baby, no, Messi Super 24 TV, Abano, nearby, the details.